My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Kia Niro. This vehicle has done just under 49,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access map, navigation, our button settings, radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay, and our setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC and climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. We also have our heated steering wheel, and if we press our drive mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.